Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Deco E4 versus Deco S7. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end. Hey, you will see, this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about Wi-Fi standard. E4 provided Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, and it is also provided by S7, so both are equal. Now let's look at the speed of it. In E4, AC 1200 300 Mbps 2.4 GHz plus 867 Mbps 5 GHz is available. And in S7, ACI 1900 600 Mbps 2.4 GHz plus 1300 Mbps 5 GHz is available. So S7 is better. Now let's look at the coverage. In E4, coverage is up to 4000 square feet 3 pack, and in S7 up to 1500 square feet 3 pack. So S7 is better. Now let's look at the processor. In E4, basic dual-core processor is available, and in S7, advanced quad-core processor is available. So S7 is better. Now let's look at the ports. In E4, two fast Ethernet ports per unit, 100 Mbps is available, and in S7, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, 1 Gbps is available. So S7 is better. Now let's look at the beamforming. No, this feature is not available on E4, and yes, this feature is available on S7. So S7 is better. Now let's look at the MUMIM. Now this feature is not available on E4, and yes, this feature is available on S7, so S7 is better. Now let's look at the parental control. Basic parental control is available in E4, and in S7 advanced control is available, so S7 is better. Now let's look at the quality of service. The quality of service is limited in E4, and in S7 it is advanced, so S7 is better. Now let's look at the mesh technology. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the mobile app. TP-Link Deco app is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of E4 is more affordable, and the price of S7 is slightly more expensive. So E4 is better for budget-friendly users. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.